Good morning, guys. Started another little series of business card sized prints. So this one's a jointed hand. Gonna have to work on them. I think we can see what we should be able to do. And I added my Grandad is an Old Man to it. There we go. Just a little bit of manipulation. And we're there. We can bend each finger individually. Well, I have an idea what I can do with this. A bit of animation.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.